Soundstripe.
Hello YouTube, it's me Pauly C, and we're back in my garage again. We're going to do a very fast video here. It's a simple mod. It's something that I do on all my cars. It just makes the look of the interior a lot better. Let's turn this light on. As you can see, it's got kind of like an amber look to it. I like the crisp white look. I've had other colors too, but the crisp white it looks so much better in the car. It makes it look a lot classier in my opinion. So let's get this taken care of. I'm going to get the tool to pry that out and we'll get going. Okay, so today we'll be using these Auxito 194 bulbs. Really good bulbs. I highly recommend them. Alright, so I've never actually bought this package before, but it actually has its own pry tool. Let's see here. I got this. I'm just going to use my own pry tool since I have it out already. Alright, so we'll get those ready for the side there. Surprisingly, this particular Trax only has the one light. Oh, easy as that. Has the one little peanut bulb in here. I'm gonna pull that out. These are a little bit hard to get out sometimes. All right, so I had to remove a little metal piece that the bulb sits behind, unfortunately, but yeah, it fits in here like this. I pretty much had to kind of like mod it a little for the bulb to fit in. So we're going to put the bulb in and then put the, see that work? Yeah, that works. So it'll just pretty much sit in like that, and we'll screw it back on and get it going. Screw that in. Tight. That's good. So we'll stick the cap back on here, and it's a simple snap, and she's in. Oh, that looks 10 times better, 100 times better. All right. Yeah. So next is the back. I'm not gonna lie, I did try this before just to make sure I was doing it right. Let's see it with lights on. So there's the dull old amber, and pretty much the same. Just gotta pry it around. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. That white piece comes out. It's just like a little holder. So I'll remove these. These look like they're easier to take out. Peanut bulbs are still a pain to get your fingers in. There's one. That one's in good. Oh, my goodness. Glue it in there. Come on. Okay, there we go. Wow, that was a hard one to get in. Or sorry, out. All right, so we'll get the new bulbs. Test them out here. I don't know if these have reverse polarity on them or not. Let's see. Yeah, so this got to go on the other way. That one works. Okay. Nope. Second time here. There we go. Good. Just put that little white piece back on. It's a weird little thing. Okay. I guess it kind of reflects the light. Actually, it'll look pretty nice on these because they're white too, so. There we go, we'll snap them in. Nice and tight. Oh yeah, a lot more light. I just love the light. I just love the look of these. All right, so finally we're gonna do the one in the trunk. This one's not too bad. I mean, for like that amber look, but I'm telling you, the Trax I had, like the previous one, the 2021, this had the same light and didn't seem like to put out any light at all. Like it really sucked. So I got pretty much these type of bulbs and put them in. A little piece of advice on these ones. It's a good idea to take the bulb out and let it cool. Don't try to pull the bulb out from the actual the housing. You can get your tool in here and just open it up and take it out. So now you got this piece and you can let it cool and put the bulb in properly. All right, so I got the bulb now, so I'm just going to, I got to make sure I'm putting it in the right way. Let's see here. All right. Now I just got to make sure the polarity is right here. Before I plug it in. Make sure it's in the proper way. Yeah, so there you go. Oh, way better. So much brighter. All I gotta do is like snap that in. Make sure it's aligned first. Yeah, they make these really tight, so you gotta be careful. You don't want to snap. There we go. Yeah, so you can see so much brighter. Oh yeah, beauty. All right, everyone, here's the part of the video that we check out the product, the merchandise that we bought. As you can see, here's the Auxito 194 LED bulb in 6000K white. I've used these several times, going 6-7 years ago, and I've never had a problem with them. No blinking. I've bought other stuff out of China that was just garbage and blinked. So I think this is a pretty good value for $21.99. They give you a $2 coupon as well. So I definitely recommend this product to use in your interior application. So give it a try if you want. All the links are in the description below. I'm going to leave all the information down there. So check it out. All right, guys, it's also a good idea. Keep your old bulbs together just in case you need it another time. Other than that, this is going to be it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one. I don't know what the next one is going to be. I think it's going to be another stove video, like a little camping stove miniature one. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you then, and stay safe. Bye.